What's up, everybody? My name is Elliott, and this is my daughter, Charlotte. Charlotte is 1.5 years old, and like any daughter of a car guy, she's beginning to amass her own little fleet of four-wheeled vehicles. It occurred to me recently as a YouTuber that I had been ignoring a set of vehicles that had been right under my nose. And today, with Charlotte's help, I'm gonna review them. Let's get right to it. I'll come get you when I need you, okay? All right, go see Granddad. I'll come get you when I need you. First up in Charlotte's stable, we have the Kiddiland Minnie Mouse Ride-Along. This flamboyantly colored little cartoon car features an upright seating position, easy entry and exit, and it features everybody's favorite cartoon mouse. Of course, I'm talking about Minnie Mouse. Other features of note on this car include a working horn and a light-up bow hood ornament. Now that's something that more cars could use. Charlotte absolutely loves this thing because it's short enough that she can propel herself with her own feet, or if desired, it has a handle on the back so that she can be accelerated at the rate of approximately 1 dad power. Unfortunately though, as a car guy, I do have a few gripes with this car. It has a horrible wheel shake at speeds of approximately 1 dad jog, and because of its tiny wheels and relatively high center of gravity with Charlotte on it, it's a bit unstable when you take corners at speeds. It's completely unacceptable for sporty driving. The other kind of nonsense gripe that I have with it is it has this kind of clock with a click wheel on the top that's meant to, I believe, teach your kids time, but you'll notice it only has one hand, so you're either teaching your kid the completely wrong way to tell time, or it's a unique way of tallying up how many things she runs into. But regardless of those little things, Charlotte absolutely loves this toy, and it's a first grab for her every time she comes and visits me at work. Next up in the stable, we have the Mercedes SLS AMG. Now the cool thing about this one is that it's got a proportionally correct front and rear fascia, which makes Charlotte the envy of all of her playmates when she pulls up with this bad boy. Other things of note is it has a much more aggressive steering angle, giving Charlotte way more control over the direction that we're going, and tons of underseat storage. This might even actually have more storage than the real SLS AMG. My main gripe with this car is that the packaging made it look like the handle was like up to here, but really, it's only this big. Which is unfortunate because prolonged dad-powered activities are very strenuous on my lower back. But that doesn't make Charlotte enjoy this toy any less, and this one's always a hit when we go on walks in our neighborhood. Another little side gripe with this car is that the brake calipers are actually in the wheels there, but they rotate with the wheel rotation. So I'm not a tire shop, but I imagine these would be a nightmare to balance if you had a caliper flopping around in there with the rotation of the wheel. Good thing the real SLS doesn't do that. Last but not least, we have the newest and coolest addition to our fleet. This is the Kidtrax Frozen Quad, and it's powered, yes, powered, by one 6-volt electric motor powering exactly one of the rear wheels. Yes, you heard that correctly, just one. Charlotte loves the instant torque delivery of this electric motor, and this thing has the steering ease of a well-tuned Cadillac, so she can change direction with little to no effort. Some negatives with the Frozen four-wheeler are that despite its off-road looks, this thing absolutely falls on its face at the first sight of anything that's not smooth, flat pavement. If you so much as see grass, this thing immobilizes itself and leaves its one wheel just spinning. So this thing is pretty much getting her used to that whole mall crawler idea where it looks really tough and off-roady, but it's just unfortunately not. The other kind of downside about the Frozen Quad is that it doesn't offer a reverse gear. So when Charlotte inevitably runs into things, she just kind of flees the scene, which is a terrible habit for anyone, let alone a toddler, to get into. But regardless, Charlotte absolutely loves this thing, and my lower back loves it too. And as a car enthusiast, it absolutely warms my heart watching her learn how to handle something that's got a motor on it. So I'd say this toy is pretty cool. That was lame. Now, let me go grab her so we can say bye-bye. So there you have it, guys. Those are 3 of Charlotte's favorite car toys from a car guy's perspective. Also from Charlotte's perspective. Charlotte, do you want to do this again?
No.
Charlotte, which one is your favorite?
Favorite.
I don't know, that looked like the Minnie Mouse toy to me, but from experience, I'm pretty sure she really favors this this Frozen four-wheeler. Can you say four-wheeler?
Yeah.
Okay. So there you have it, guys. That is what she thinks of these toys, and obviously what I think of these toys. It looks like it's nap time, so I gotta get out of here. As always, my name is Elliott. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all the other normal YouTube stuff, and I will see you on the next video. All right, let's go night-night. You wanna do it again?
Good.
Okay. What's up, everybody? My name is Elliott, and this is my daughter, Charlotte. Here, what's this?
Catch.
All right. As is typical, she has decided she is not in the mood for a car review right now, but we'll do our best here.
Daddy.
Please. Can we please do it?
No.
Pretty please?